Welcome back to Cooking with Cass. This week we're making Malaysian style chicken curry, and man, this was so tasty. I started marinating some chicken thigh and chicken drumstick in a mixing bowl with about a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of turmeric, and the juice from 1 lime. Toss that around until the seasonings have coated all the chicken, and then we'll cover it, give it a little tappy, and let it rest in the fridge while we prep the rest of our curry. This was exciting because it's the first time I've used lemongrass and it smells so good. To prep this, we'll slice off both ends, peel the outer layers off, then crush the inside with the flat of our blade. Now that I've tried this, I'm really looking forward to using this ingredient in other recipes. Next, we'll roughly chop 1 yellow onion and cut the stems off 7 bird's eye chilies and put those into a food processor with 2 teaspoons of turmeric and 4 cloves of crushed garlic. Then we'll process that into a paste. Make sure to use a spatula so everything gets well blended, and then we'll set that aside. Next, we'll open a can of coconut milk and skim the cream off the top. Don't throw this out though, it's going to add an awesome creaminess to our curry. Now it's time to get cooking. I put 1 tablespoon of peanut oil in a pan, but you can use any neutral flavored oil for this. Get that warm over medium heat, and now we're going to cook the chicken on either side to make sure each is golden brown. We don't want to cook the chicken all the way, we just want to get a nice golden crust. Once that's looking good, place those on a paper towel lined plate and set aside. Now if you enjoy what you're watching, we'd appreciate a like and subscribe. We post new recipes every Friday, and this Ramadan we've got some great meals planned. Now we'll add the lemongrass, the onion and pepper blend, and any leftover marinade to the pan. Now we'll mix that up and cook until everything is starting to get good and fragrant and the vegetables are starting to release some of the juice. That's when we'll add our chicken and bring the whole thing to a soft simmer. Once that's bubbly, we'll add our coconut milk, 3 lime leaves, 1.5 tablespoons of tamarind paste, and a little bit of sugar. The sugar should help to cut some of the sourness of the raw tamarind pulp. Now we'll carefully mix that up and let simmer for 30 minutes or until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees. After 30 minutes, our curry is more of a paste, so now we'll reintroduce the coconut cream that we skimmed earlier. This will make our curry more into a sauce while maintaining the creaminess. And that's it! Serve it up with some rice, garnish with cilantro, and your iftar is set. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe and would like to see more, hit subscribe and you'll get all of our weekly halal recipes. See you next week.